No, it isn't though, because it's opposite, see?
Yeah, it's a mirror.
No.
Oh, well,
It's not a mirror. It's opposite of a mirror, because a mirror, this hand would be right there.
Oh my god, that's the box I drew.
Yeah. Oh my god. Here, concentrate.
Okay.
It's light.
Ah!
No, it don't. Just switch on the little black thing. Don't twist the lever. No, don't twist the lever. See that black pad right there? Yeah. Okay, now find the button that looks like the down button. Oh, down. Yes. Except we're going to be plunged in the darkness now. Okay. Now go hit that light over there. There's a light switch over there on that pad. Go hit it. Yeah. That's the one. Wake up. Why did you throw it there? Anyways. Oh, dear God, sure. You look British emo thing. Thanks. Anyways. How are you doing? Pretty good. No, that's good. Why did you change my background? Anyways, we have this vlog going so that we can get our own sitcom. Isn't that great? I know. You could have written that on paper, you know. I can't find it. There's paper right up on my desk. Jeez. Yeah. Oh. That's all for now. So I'm just gonna transfer this into GarageBand and make the voices behind squeaky.